Hello everyone, this is Stacy Bresler from Archer Energy Solutions, here to bring you our brand new topic on our weekly video series called On Target with Archer. As a reminder, this is a 1-minute video and we use a timer right up here to keep ourselves accountable. So without further ado, let's get started. My topic today is about eating your own dog food, and this is a very common thing that we talk about in our everyday world. But as it's applicable into the industrial control system environments, it's something to take into consideration, especially if you're in a role of an oversight or a compliance team, or you're a policy writer that's sitting in an IT shop and you're expecting your operations folks to adhere to those policies. This is a very important aspect of your thought process, is eating your own dog food, because what you write may not taste as well as you think it should. And in any event, one thing that we've seen that works really well to overcome some of these eating your own dog food situations is to embrace yourself with operational folks. If you write a standard or a procedure, a set of steps, actually take that down to the field and test it out. See if it works. And then remember, do it yourself. That way you have a good feeling what it is. And that is On Target with Archer.
Do you have trouble eating your own dog food? If so, we can help. Contact Archer today. If you have any questions or topics you would like us to cover, comment below. You never know, you might see your comment on an episode of On Target.